Hey friends, in this video I'll be telling you about one thing you need to do to make your video go viral. It's another way on YouTube that you can share your video aside you just uploading it and sending it to be showing on YouTube feed. So this is another way you can share your video in a way that other people will see it in a different part of YouTube. This strategy is a strategy that no one have ever thought about. Since I've been on YouTube, I've not seen anyone talked about this strategy or this way of uploading video. No one has ever talked about it. I've not come across it. I've not seen anyone, display any way like this. So I just recently learned it and it makes my video grow very well. So I'm just going to show you how you can be able to, do this thing so that your video will be able to show in a different platform on YouTube, in a different part of YouTube, so that not just only one people will be seeing it, but other kind of people while they scroll on YouTube will also have access to your video, and with that your video will get a lot of views. So my name remains Philip. If you are just new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you've already done that, let's rock and roll. So far I've been on YouTube watching YouTube video on how to grow. I've seen a lot of YouTubers telling you to click this button, and if you watch the video you come to notice that button you've already clicked on it and still you are not getting a lot of views. This is something that have been happening to me even while I still watch videos today. Whenever I watch any video to get views, when they take me through the tutorial, I come to notice that what they are telling me now is already what I have done in the past. I've made all these settings and yet there is no view. And this thing I'm going to tell you about now, this kind of tutorial I'm going to take you through, is what no one has ever told you about, and it's very easy to do, and that will make this video to be very short. So if you want to do it, just follow this tutorial. So now let's get to the tutorial part of this video. So on your phone, you click on your YouTube channel. And once your YouTube channel is open, you click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your YouTube app. And once it is open, you can see view channel. You click on view channel. So once your YouTube channel is open, you are going to see the video option here. You click on the videos. And here we are going to select the video that we are going to post. So I'm going to select this video here. So after opening the video, you are going to see the share option here. You click on share. So after clicking on the share, you are going to see two options: the copy link and create post. You click on the create post. And here we are going to create our post. Creating this post means you are going to share your video on the post feed. So on YouTube, we have the YouTube feed and we have the post feed. So immediately you upload your video on YouTube, your video will show on the YouTube feed. So now we are also uploading this video on the post feed. That simply means anyone that doesn't see your video on the YouTube feed will then see it on the post feed. That will give your video more visibility and a lot of people will be engaged watching your video. So now what you need to do is to write a title. I'm just going to say the money trap. That's the title already. So when you are done writing the title, you click on the post. So your video now has been posted. It has been posted on the post feed. So to see that, all you need to do is to go to your channel, you click on the icon, and now you can see the options here and you go to post. And now when you get to post, you are going to see your video. So people will see your video here and also watch it. Whenever people see your video on the post feed, which is here, they can easily click it and it will lead them to the video on the YouTube feed. So this is one way I use to send my video to go viral on YouTube. So if you got any value from this video, do not forget to subscribe and always do this thing so that you always get a lot of views. I believe you were able to follow that tutorial, and please, whenever you upload your video, do not forget to do something like this. Share it as a post even after you've uploaded it. Click your share and you create you use that video as a post as well, so that whenever people scroll on YouTube, they will see it as a post, click on it, and they watch the video. And also, it's going to appear on your YouTube feed, two ways. It's going to be appearing in two ways. Who doesn't see it on your YouTube feed will see it as a post, and with that, people can be able to, get engaged with that very video. All right, if you enjoyed this video and you found any value from it, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comment. And thank you as you watch this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.